I think we should make Luganda a national language of Uganda. Why Luganda? Luganda is a well-documented language and well-developed for that matter. And it is widely spoken already in the country. And it is a very easy language to learn. First, it's a Bantu language, and they're usually very easy to learn. I think because the majority of the people are Bantu people, so it's easy to learn. And this is not to say that you should stop speaking your local language, your mother tongues. Speak them, but we have one unifying language that unifies us as a country. Because imagine if the Britos says, do not speak our language. Which language are we going to speak? Which language are we going to use as a country? We do not have a national language. And I think it's very important for us to have one. So I think it's safe to say that over 60% of Ugandans have some degree of Luganda command. They can either hear some Luganda or they can speak some Luganda. They can transact in Luganda. So first, it will be very cheap if the government makes it wants us to learn the language. It will be very cheap because it's already in circulation. Imagine if somebody, the Sebei people speak which language? Now imagine they teach us, like we say, okay, we are going to make this language our national language, or let's say Karamajong language. I have nothing against those people, but I'm just giving examples. And yet they are Karamajongs, they are Sebeis, they are Itesots, they are Bafumbira, they are Acholis, they are Batoros, to name but a few who speak Luganda. So it will be very easy and cheap to learn. So it will cost our government less to make it practical. But also think about this. Tanzania has over 100 plus tribes, but they speak Swahili as their national language. Kenya is the same case. So now imagine, as we are headed towards the East African community, we want something that we identify with as Ugandans. Not that we lack those, but language is a powerful thing. It binds. It's a binder. It will bind us together.